Yeah, I think it's a piece to a buckle, dude. I'm not sure about that one.
There's a lot of grass out in there.
It is a buckle, dude.
Is it?
You found an epic buckle, man. Use my nylon brush on it.
No, there could have been 2 pieces of
Huh. Yeah, it is a buckle, dude. It's in good shape, too, man. I found these before. It says B on it. I can't remember exactly what it's for. But it is a buckle. I think it opens up right here. Yeah, it opens up right here. It's a satchel. It's for a satchel right there. See that? It's a nice shape too. Yeah, that's nice, dude. Oh, this one's loose. It's not too much clay here. Oh, man. Sounds junky now. It's gonna be big. I think so. It might be a pop can. Some junk or something. Some wood. Yeah, it's gonna be some junk. Deeper junk. Oh man, it is way down there too. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be some junk. Some glass right there. Yep, some junk. Some foil. It's a foil tag of some kind. Not sure why it would be reading up so high. No, I don't have one that's intact right now. Oh man. There's a bunch of wood down there too. Nail. It's a screw. Glass there. That's cool. Right near a relic dump here that we found just a few minutes ago. It's another screw down there. That buckle that Jim found was awesome, man. I think I'm gonna head down the forest over here, right next to that fence there. Can dig this spore out. Some foil. Oh, that's deep, man. Some deep foil. Oh, my knee pad. Yeah, it's gonna be some deep, deep foil. Oh, yeah. Big time deep foil. Right there. I just saw some foil down there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. How the hell this stuff gets so deep? I just found that's about 6 inches deep, dude.
Is it?
It's a freaking packet.
Oh, really?
What the hell? After all these relics on the surface.
Ah. We better stay out of there, I guess.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should probably stay out of there.
You did here?
I don't know. sticker bushes here are horrible. Oh, come on, baby. It's a pop can? Yes.
What this is. Dollar targets are usually not a dollar.
Yep.
That's good.
That's interesting.
Yes, I'm interesting enough to dig it up.
That's very interesting. Huh. It could be a paint can full of gold coins, dude.
Could be anything.
Oh, you're getting it, dude. It's something big, dude.
It is. Comes over here.
Yep. Oh, dude, it's huge, yeah. Bring it on, dude. You're gonna break your shovel, man. The groundhog shovel, man.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yep.
It beat you up?
You want to do it?
No.
Yeah, make the old guy do it.
Dude, this is a good spot, man. Lots of iron here, so I'm gonna stick here for a few more minutes. See if I can get up out of here. Man, I know there's some killer stuff here. I'm getting further away from that relic dump right there. Go back over here. Swing over to the more here. There's a lot of odd shaped stuff here. This one's jumping everywhere, but it could be anything, man. The relic dumps, it's just a solid target, right? Oh yeah. Come on, bring it on, some relics. Or is it a pop can? It's not, it's a button. No, it's a clamp. It's an iron clamp. I think it's iron. Yeah, most likely iron. Most of those are iron or aluminum. Pipe clamp. Come on, baby. Some relics. Oh, it's gonna be something huge. Something very big. It's a pipe. Ouch. It's a pipe. Right there. Yep. I do not have the room for that in my bag either. Dang it. Crap, man. Just don't have the room in my bag for it. Just set it right there. Dang it. I'll come back later on, grab that. A little bit of iron. I've thrown a few pieces of iron in the trees there. I usually don't do that, but this force is coming down here very shortly. They're going to be developing it. I wonder where Jim went. I hear him way back in the forest back there. I was getting hit over here somewhere. Oh, it's good. It's good. Near the surface, small. That's good. Another toy. Oh, yeah. All four wheels are gone off it, man. Yeah, bring it on. Another toy back here. Yeah, bring it on. Mustang Fastback, right there, I think. I'm not really sure. Sweet. Yeah, baby. Getting the relics out today, man. And the relics are shallow here, man. Amazing. That one's not a really old car. I'm gonna chase after Jim here. And I'll come back and get my iron here in a minute. Oh, sounds like another pop can. Yep, pop can right there. Man, there is a lot of can slot out here. Something very big. Pop can. Sounds like it's bigger than a pop can. Yeah. Another pop can. Jeez. Yep, modern. Oh, my bag is full. I can't go on any longer. Got to go to my truck and empty my bag out. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.